Kansas, ready for a road trip? Lake Berry, Kansas, I'm coming to you, baby. Follow me on the road. It's going to be a great time. Boosh. Okay, I'm being a little bit of a bad boy, but they're getting rid of the Orange Blast. I've had this since I was a kid. They're getting rid of them in all McDonald's. Oh. Bye, Colorado. Hi, Kansas. Someone say, wow! Rock and roll! Wow! Wow! I'm a bunny rabbit. I'm a hippity hoppa 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 bunny rabbit. Come on, I'm a bunny rabbit. Oh my God, the trip to Kansas is so boring. But once we get there, it'll be a lot of fun. Oh shit. Topeka. What? We are almost there. It's gonna be a good time. Boosh, honky tonk mafia. It may not be perfect, but it's coming in. Little Lake Perry action here. Can't see it, but that's the Hog Holler sign. Down the road we go. Oh, here it is. Hog Holler, baby.
In 70 feet, the destination is on.
Looks like they got a lot of people here. Ladies and gentlemen of planet Earth, let me let you know who some of the greatest men in the world are. Honky Tonk Mafia right here. Yeah! You lying, cheat, whiskey drinking, woman chasing, honky tonkin' son of a bitch.
All right, so me, Miles, we all went down to Skinny's in Topeka to sing karaoke and have a good time. Not gonna lie, I blacked out a little bit. We were on our way back home from Topeka. Next thing I know, I said, oh shit, I see what's going on here. I see what's going on here. So I stripped naked.
That's what we did.
So I said, yeah, I see what's going on here, and I'm hanging. Next thing I know, I fucking decided to dive out the window on the passenger side. I am literally hanging on like this on the top of the roof of the vehicle. Oh shit. Miles grabbed
car next to us.
Silver Grand Dam. Because they called us into the police. Next thing we know, here comes Charlie. Charlie was the sheriff.
Great sheriff.
Of Jackson County. Luckily we made it to Jackson County.
If we didn't know him beforehand, it would have been a problem. But we had that shit.
Charlie knew me. Yeah. So Charlie comes up to the vehicle and he was like, John, get out of the vehicle. So I put my pants on, backwards, mind you, and I stand outside, and he says, get in the car. So I go and I sit in the front seat of the vehicle. Charlie comes back and talks to me, and he says, John, what in the fuck were you doing? I said, they dared me. They dared me. I don't know. And without missing a beat, Miles said, what do you want? So then Charlie comes back in the vehicle and he was like, get your shit back in the car and I don't want to see you the rest of the night. I said, well, that doesn't seem to be a problem to me, Charlie. Because I was on my way home.
See you later, Hog Holler Saloon. Y'all be good. See you next trip. Had a good time here. It is now time to get back home, baby. Colorado Springs. Got a show in Denver this weekend. Go see my kids. What's up? This just in. 18 inches of snow in Hayes, Kansas. What? They closed I-70. Now I'm gonna have to go through the countryside of Kansas to get home. Gotta go 20 miles an hour here down Main Street in a place called Otis.
Otisburg. Where's this monster? She's got her own place. Otisburg. It's a little bitty place. Otisburg. Okay, I just wipe it off. That's all. It's a little town.
It's the Otis Tower. Otis. At least the rain's consistent with the silos that are around here.
I've been driving all night, my hands wet on the wheel.
I don't believe it. How lucky am I? There's another silo here. Yes, I love silos. Wait, is that a... I can't make it out. Is that a silo? Yes, another silo. Okay, now you're just showing off. You're putting the silos on the left side now. That's impressive. That's impressive. Silo. Oh, shit. I hope the roads aren't closed. Well, I might got some bad news. I'm in Nest City. At least what that water tower says. Next to that silo. If I'm understanding everybody correctly, all roads leading to Colorado are shut down. So I might have to hunker down in one of these little towns. Maybe I can find a bar that's got some karaoke. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna go down the road as far as I can until the police or state troopers stop me. Can I get me, copper? It's going from rain to starting to look a lot more snowy like. Ruh-roh. So this is happening. Well, quite a bit of snow. Ah, shit. This is what I was afraid of. I just went around a road closed sign. I could be in trouble any minute now. Shit, that's not a good sign. Yeesh, brother. I can definitely see why they wanted to close it. They'll probably call that in. I see sunlight right over there. It ain't over, but there's a lot more sunlight over there. I just gotta make it. Man, it's like carnage for some of these. He looks okay. Look at those beautiful silos in the sunset. Silos, we love silos. Yeah, get it, brother. Do your thing. Clean up this town. Damn it, there's another road closed sign that I'm having to go around. Oh. Holy shit. You think I got it bad? Look at Mr. U-Haul over here. We're stuck. I'm not, but they are. Cops should be here any minute. Oh boy. Well, I tried to make it as far as I could, but there's cop lights up there, so I turned around in the caravan and got back on. One thing that I learned in all this is when it says road closed, most of it may be good to go, but there may be 5% that really sucks. Ugh. So I'm gonna head back to that town, lose a little time, but get away from the cops. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, look at that. A pay telephone in the Ice Age. What? These are snowdrifts. That's the roof of the car. What?
Spend my nights howling at the moon. Never wake before noon. And when the sun it rises, we don't
It's time for me to try and go home. Let's see.
Spend my nights howling at the moon.
Church that made my night better. Thanks, guys. There's my phone booth. Well, this is looking much better and more promising already. Hey, everybody, look who's stuck. Holy shit. Still feel bad for that guy. This is the way everything looks today. I don't know if you can see it, but these are the power lines that went down. Damn, Leoli got a lot of snow. No wonder it was closed here. Yo, we did it, Adrian! Yo, we did it! We did it! What a difference a few miles can make. Holy crap. Sunshine looking at me. I'm home. Holy cannoli. That was a trip. One for the ages. Love it. Love it, actually. Have fun, everyone. Thanks for watching, guys. And do not forget to like or comment. That helps the video. Boy, that truck did get it bad. Good night, everybody.